So we're gonna build Mickey. It's like a really cute little desk, and yesterday I built this part of it. It took a while because I used the wrong screw. I was saying yesterday I could like knock someone out with these like pieces of metal right here. Like these would hurt. Okay, so it says to screw this here. Wait, I don't even have my screw on there. Okay, just screw this on here. Yeah, next time I gotta try the hot dogs. I've tried the meatballs. I've tried the what is it called? The princess cakes. They're like pink little cakes and they taste like marzipan and The problem with building furniture for me is that I'm so gentle. Like I don't want to break things, so I don't really force it. And I guess you're not really supposed to force it, but I think it'll go a lot faster if I just, you know, one punch man it. Okay. I had the worst time at the beach. There was this one beach that was so sandy. All the sand like flew in my eyes. And I wear glasses. And it still flew into my eyes. And then the waves were so tough. I tried to swim and it just knocks me over. So that's why I don't really like the beach. I like the beach if it's calm and steady. And that's about it. And if it's warm. Yeah, food over beach. Yeah, I had a really fat desk before and I was like trapped in between here and here. So now I won't feel as squished because this desk is gonna be pretty small and now I'll have more room to like push my chair back. Yeah. Yeah, there are holes there. Good, good. Means I'm probably going in the right spot. And then kind of grunt it in. Ugh! I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna take this metal butterfly and stick it on this piece of wood. I don't know if you've seen my shirt, but it says sheesh. One punch. Come on, you stay there. You get in there, please. 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 But I'm not sponsored by IKEA. Just trying to have a good time. Circle! Say hi to my stream. Do you see him? He's right there. He's like, what are you building? Don't like don't break anything though, okay? Watch out. Watch out. Yeah, I'm building a desk. Okay. There you go. Not going in. Oh. Come on. I believe. Oh! That did not sound good. Oh. That was easy. Oh god, I did it. Heck yeah! So that just goes to show a little bit of rest gives you like all might strength. Okay, there you go. Whew. All this blood and tears that go into like making this when I could have just bought a desk that was already made. Last one. I don't know how to put it in there. What? I bought a lamp and then another lamp. I bought 2 lamps. And yeah, they really just get you on how much stuff they have. Oh, I got a panda. Like a panda toy. Oops. Okay, let's finish this part. Oh, here. Hello. Go. Be free. Go, please. Question mark? Whoa. Whoa. Okay. I love this door. We're gonna put these little things on there. I don't know what these are called. Like little metal mushrooms. Okay. Oh, I love it. Thank you. Alright. Let's finish this up. Ow! My head. 1, 2, 3. Hecka smooth! Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Have a great day at work, John. And thank you to my mod, Tim Win. Thank you to my family. Thank you to myself for buying me this desk. And yeah, have a great day, guys.